Hey, what's up guys? Sean here with Apollo. Now as you use your scooter, it's going to go through a lot of abuse. Bumps, bounces, leaning against walls, and even accidentally dropping it. It all leads up to one hell of a beating. So some minor repairs are needed from time to time. One of those repairs you might need to do is on your kickstand, if the screws have become stripped and the kickstand is loose. So today I'm going to show you how to install this bracket. It gives your kickstand something stronger and more stable to hold on to, and that should keep it in place. For demonstration purposes, I have here the Apollo Explorer, but this process is essentially the same for all of our other scooters. It's relatively simple to install. All you need are a couple of tools, my Phillips screwdriver and my Allen wrench, and a pair of needle nose pliers just in case. So I'll show you how it's done. Let's go. So to install the bracket, all you need to do is remove the front plastic trim piece from the deck. So you may want to have your scooter folded down to make it easier, and there are 9 screws that you'll have to undo to take it off. So now with all the screws undone, you can simply pop off the plastic trim, giving you access to the inside of the scooter. Next, you're going to remove the kickstand. If the screws are already stripped, it may simply pop off. Otherwise, take your Allen wrench and unscrew the kickstand. From there, take your bracket, and to make your job a little bit easier, you may want to pre-thread the holes by inserting the screws and giving them a few twists. This will make it easier for them to catch on when you install the bracket after. So now it's time to install the bracket. This is where you may want to use the needle nose pliers. In case your hand can't fit inside the deck, you can use the pliers to help hold it in place. Now carefully align the bracket with the screw holes already in the deck, and you can insert one screw to help hold it in place to make it easier when you attach your kickstand afterwards. Now you want to be careful that everything is aligned properly, as you don't want to be re-threading the holes in the bracket. Next, you can attach your kickstand with the other screw, but be sure not to tighten it too much. About 75 to 80% of the way should be fine, because you're then going to take the first screw you installed and use that to finish attaching your kickstand. From there, give both screws a few turns, making sure they're nice and tight, and voila, your kickstand's like new again. Alright, now with the kickstand bracket installed, you can reattach the front plastic trim piece. Make sure the wires are gently tucked inside the deck, and you can reattach all 9 screws, being careful to put them back in their original positions. That's it, you're done. The whole process should only take you about 15-20 minutes. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at apolloscooters.co, and be sure to like and subscribe for more scooter related content.